high, so I bought a few more supplies for polymer clay, and my office/bedroom became a mess. Let me show you. Yep. This whole area is where I keep my polymer clay supplies. It's literally all the time dusty and everything is on top of each other. There are so many elements. So I need to make it more organized, because no matter how much I clean the dust and organize it, because it's also the bedroom and there is a bed right there, the dust comes here and things keep falling. So let's organize together this. In this, I bought these 2 IKEA boxes. I think they're really cute. This is just water.
pay for food. I don't bug it.
Hi. So this is the final result. I might still arrange them a little bit differently, but for now it's much cleaner and at least the dust is not collected in all of these supplies. So